biggest bubble of our lifetime. Do you agree?
I don't know if I'd agree with that. I think that the price is an easy metric for everyone to point at and to look at. It's widely covered, it's fascinating, and it's one important quantitative indicator to look at the success of this technology. But we spend a lot of time in the space also looking at what's the actual utility, how many people are using this technology, what's the daily transactional volume. That happens separate from the price, and that we're also seeing great growth in.
Now, talk to us about the growth at Coinbase, the accounts tripling to 13 million in the last year. You know, where do you see that growth going? Yeah,
so we started this year with around 5 million retail customers on Coinbase.com. And Coinbase.com is effectively the easiest way to get started buying and selling with a little bit of digital currency. We're now reporting over 12 million retail customers. And what we've seen with that is really Coinbase becoming the easy on-ramp to the digital currency space. In addition to onboarding customers, we actually report our total trading volume, and we've seen over $50 billion worth of cryptocurrency traded on our platform alone. These are both great kind of leading indicators that we're seeing average everyday users now beginning to adopt and experiment with this technology.
You know, it may not be the biggest bubble of our lifetime, according to you, but there is a lot of volatility. I want you to take a look at a chart on the Bloomberg G hashtag BTV. 1909. This compares Bitcoin's volatility to the euro dollar, the most traded currencies out there. You know, what do you make of this volatility, and how can people put trust in this currency if this kind of volatility keeps up?
Yeah, it's a great question, and I do think this volatility is going to be short-lived in the lifespan of digital currencies like Bitcoin. We are in the very early innings of the introduction of this technology right now, and rightfully so, we're watching the market kind of engage in this process of price discovery. And with that, we're seeing rapid increases and also recoveries, decreases in the price. What's really interesting is I co-authored a paper with Chris Berniski out of ARK Invest last year, and what we looked at was the 2016 volatility of Bitcoin compared to some other asset classes. And what we found that Bitcoin was as volatile as both oil and less volatile than Twitter stock in the year 2016. So in my opinion, we're seeing volatility right now. That's not a bad thing. More liquid markets with institutional capital entering the space is ultimately going to decrease that volatility and make digital currencies like Bitcoin a really viable financial instrument for the world.